Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th day of February in the year 2025, our system has categorized Supermicrocomputer as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has significantly exceeded our expectations, achieving a remarkable gain of 91.6% since we initially recommended purchasing Supermicrocomputer 10 days ago. This equates to an average return of 9.16% each day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 reflects that our system foresees substantial volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, we are unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it has the potential to fluctuate in either direction. The stock has broken through a very wide and weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the threshold of the current trend, which has been broken at $44.88. This level may present a second opportunity to capitalize on upward movement. According to fan theory, $62.75 will be the next potential peak level, acting as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 2.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 50.65% and negative 18%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of negative 59.67% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 100% and negative 59.67%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $22.53 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer includes the headline: Volatile ride for Supermicrocomputer stock price on Tuesday, moving between $51 and $56.23. The Supermicrocomputer stock price gained 16.61% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, rising from $47.91 to $55.87. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 10.25%, reaching a low of $51 and a high of $56.23. The price has increased on 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 108.08% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 28 million more shares traded than the previous day. Overall, 159 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $122.90, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price stands 54.54%, or $67.03, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On the same day, Loop Capital Markets also assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, Wedbush reported a neutral grade for SMCI, again with a hold action. Moving back to Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, Needham gave SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. On that same day, Citigroup reported a reduced grade for SMCI, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Supermicrocomputer stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, in terms of return on investment, the analysts recommend the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicrocomputer. The stock of Supermicrocomputer shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $43.53 and $33.77. A drop below either of these levels would prompt sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 3, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 108.08%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 174 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicrocomputer. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $47.91 and $42.65. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may drop to the next support level. In this instance, Supermicrocomputer finds support just below today's level at $47.91. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $42.65 and $42. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, coupled with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, rendering this stock very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.23 between its high and low, which equates to a 10.25% change. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicrocomputer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with lengthy track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 75.1 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicrocomputer. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and utilizing volume to determine the right moment to exit. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $47.91. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Kenneth Chung, who bought and sold 6,165 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 17.237. In total, insiders have purchased 3,708,835 shares and sold 5,298,326 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $54.04, reflecting a decrease of 3.28%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, further elevating this risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, the 19th of February, we anticipate that supermicrocomputer will open lower by $1.50, starting at $54.37. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before engaging in the buying or selling of any securities. It is important to refrain from making investment decisions based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.